Well, welcome to ExpressTime Solutions Tutorials. Today I'd like to show you how to use send notifications within your data manager. Once you log into ExpressTime Data Manager and you come into your Buildings tabs, you'll be able to look over in the top center and see where it says Send Notifications. This is a very handy tool for you to be able to send text notifications to your employees in many different fashions. Under the buildings here, if I use the Send Notifications tab, I'm able to pull up and I can send notifications to employees in this building, approved employees for this building, all buildings, or supervisors. To give you an example, I want to show you what all buildings. At this point, I can send it out to every building that is in my database, or I can send it out just a select few that I need to send it to. Type in my message and be able to send out a message for employees. Maybe it's a company-wide message, or maybe it's during this time that we're having to make special arrangements for certain things for certain buildings. You're able to share that through a text message with all your employees at once. Another good way that you could break this down is under the employee. So go to Personnel, under the employee, you look at the employee records, and under the employee records, it's in the same spot. It's under the Send Notifications. When you click on Send Notifications from here, this breaks it down in a little different way. It breaks it down to this employee, all employees, or supervisors. To show you all employees, I'm able to come and select the employees that I would like to send it to, or I can send it to all employees at once. This is a good way for you to be able to communicate really quickly with your employees through text message, sending it as a bulk through your data manager. One of the key things that you do need to remember in order for your employees to receive this text notification under the employee's record, you do need to have their cellular phone, obviously who you're texting it to, and what carrier they might be using. Once again, thanks for watching this video.